Panasonic's betting big on 3D technology. They've introduced 5 new camcorders that can shoot 3D, including this model, the HTC SD90, which can be bought with this converter lens for under $1,000. You'd have to pay hundreds more for other 3D camcorders. Now, this camcorder can shoot 2D with the 3D lens off or 3D with it on. The camcorder has also a SD memory slot that is SDXC compatible, which means you can expand the memory on your camcorder. It has a 3-inch touchscreen LCD. It also comes with a 21 times optical zoom, which includes 28mm wide angle capability, which is nice for group portraits or landscapes. And it will be available in the spring of 2011. For Consumer Reports, I'm Terry Sullivan.